This is John, and John has the trading skills but has $0, and I'll be putting myself in John's shoes to help him trade from $0 to $15,000. Day 2 of turning $0 to $15,000. So this is episode 2, guys, you understand? So today it's a Monday. I caught a beautiful sell on gold, one lie, you understand? So how did I go about this trade? So I did first enter on my OTE, you understand? That was my OTE there. So for me to not enter direct there, I wanted to see if the market would actually sell. So I did catch this resistance there. It's not very visible for everyone to see though, you understand? I did catch this resistance there. So if I could go to the 5-minute chart, it's very visible enough for everyone to see, you understand? But it won't make sense because how I got this resistance, I was using a line graph, you understand? So I did find this resistance using a line graph and my entry was simply there. But then what said is I couldn't wait till the end of this final TP. I just took profits there, you understand? So we can see that it came to our second TP. It has to go to our third TP. But as I always say, guys, once you reach your daily target, then there's nothing left for you to enter any more trades, understand? You just have to relax and watch the market move. There's no need for you to be greedy or re-enter again, understand? So yeah, this is how I caught these sells on gold. One lie, it was a beautiful best setup. It was a beautiful best setup, of course. So yeah, guys, this is episode 2. Of course, we are still growing the money. You understand? We are still helping John out, by the way. So yeah, John has to be helped, guys, because he has the trading skills, you understand? So yeah. Good day, guys. It's your one and only B-Select72, as you all know me, your man. So if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next hot one. And also, if you're a new subscriber to the channel, thanks for joining the hundreds of traders who have already achieved their success. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So on the previous video, guys, episode 1, how to turn $0 into $15,000. We all saw that I took a loss. It was nothing for me to hide because I knew that I was gonna make a comeback, you understand? So I did deposit 300 rand, you understand? And my aim was to risk only 100 rand to make 200 rand. So on London session, I did risk 100 rand to make 200 rand, but it was not successful. On New York session, I did risk 100 rand to make 200 rand. Also, it was not successful, understand? So these videos won't just be me showing you how to flip something on, or how to find a way to find your account, or how I can grow a certain money to this amount, you understand? It's also me, guys, trying to lead or guide you if you only want to be led or guided, you understand? So there's certain things that you also need to list down, or you need to encounter in your trading game, you understand? Or especially when you're trying to grow small accounts. For me, example, when I was still a beginner, I usually took a small account to big account, you understand? But obviously I didn't tend to withdraw. For example, I was funding 500, made another 500. I was like, no, I'll take this amount to 10,000 or 5,000. Because of that mindset, obviously I did tend to grow my accounts. But now, because I've learned, also I am also still in the learning journey, you understand? I'm not yet there, but I wish to also be there, you understand? I'm still going there, you understand? Just like anyone else, everyone wants to be there, everyone wants to secure that bag, you understand? So sharp. Number 1, you need to have a trading plan, guys, you understand? Trading plan was one of the things that I never had, understand? You also need to journal your trades. What do I mean by journaling your trades? Before you take an entry, you need to list what you are looking for. At least have 3 confluences that you are going to be looking for in the market before you enter a trade, and also before you exit a trade. Understand? If you don't have any of those, then simply don't take a trade. Understand? You need to set rules. You need to create the rules. You need to create a certain concept that you will follow each and every day. Understand? Because once more, when you're still beginning in this forex thing, you tend to be looking out for too many strategies that you think will give you the cash, forgetting that it's not about the strategy, it's about the mindset, you understand? It's about what you put inside yourself, it's about what you see in front of the chart, you understand? It's how you behave when you are in your metaphor, you understand? It's not all about the strategy that tells you buy or sell. Yes, the strategy can tell you buy or sell, but still make a loss. Ask yourself, how come? You understand? It's not the strategy, it's always the mind, you understand? It's a 80% it's a 80-20 rule, understand? 80% of your psychology, 20% of your what? Strategy. So I'll just take you through on how I managed to write some things for myself in order to grow a small account without high risk, and I'll still continue to explain more, understand? So what you need to avoid and also what you need to aim for. So number one, guys, there is certain things that you need to avoid. So what you need to avoid is don't try to rush to make massive gains, understand? If you find it at 300 rand like I do, I'm in a process of growing that 300 rand. I'm in a process of making big massive gains, obviously, but I can't rush it, understand? I took a risk, understand? I took a risk. I took my cell phone to Crash Crusaders to have a certain cash to find my account. You understand? For you to see that even if you don't have cash, you can still be able to do something that can give you cash in order for you to find your account. So me taking my cell phone to Crash Crusaders, it was one of the things that I was still certain about, that I can still be able to make cash from and go take out my phone, you understand? So I only have 30 days, guys, to make enough cash and go take my phone out, you understand? That's the risk that I was willing to do. So I can't be finding all the money and just trade it all in, you understand? Because what if I lose? Losing is part of the game, you understand? I can't always make profits. That's one of the things that I always tell myself. Number two, do not open yourself to large risk in hope of large returns. Understand? What I'm trying to say, don't be like, I am funding 300, I have to double the account same time. That can ruin your psychology. Understand? That can ruin your psychology. I know, guys, I was once a beginner. That can ruin your psychology. And once more again, guys, if you did reach this far, thanks for watching. And if you didn't subscribe, please hit that subscribe button so we can also grow and this video can also expand to many people out there. Number three, do not assume taking small risk defined trades will not grow your account. Understand? This is what I mean exactly. By finding a 300 rand, guys, I can't be saying me only risking 100 to make 200, it won't eventually grow my account. For example, I am risking 100 rand to make 200 rand in London session. That's already 200, boom. New York session, I am risking 100 rand to make 200 rand. That's 200, boom. In total, I have 400 plus that 300 that I funded. Do you understand? So it's 5, 6, 7. In total, my equity is 700. Never mind my equity, but let's see about the profit. So it's 400 per day. So it's 4, 8, 12, 16. You understand? 4, 8, 12, 16, 2K. So in a week, I can be able to make 2K. By what? By risking 100. That's it. Not every day will be a winning day. You understand? For example, me, I don't trade Mondays. I won't lie. Understand? So if I am targeting 400 per week, I'll just make 4, 8, 12, 16. So 1.6 is enough for me. Understand? It's enough for me to grow this. It's enough for me to show you that it is possible. Understand? So remember, guys, on episode 1, I was telling you all that John has the trading skills but has no money to fund the account. So I am joining now. I'm not beastly. Don't get me wrong. Understand? So number 4, guys, do not sacrifice trading equity for poor planning or lack. What I'm trying to say, don't risk your capital if you don't have any trading plan in place. If you don't have any confirmations in place, do not risk your capital. Let go. Understand? For me, especially, my confirmations are golden zone, triggered, bullish, engulfing pattern, candlestick. Number 3, it has to go in session. Understand? If it's not London or New York, I don't trade. Even though I see a confirmation. Those are my 3 confirmations. Those are only just my 3 confirmations. So what you need to aim for. Number 1, determine how to realistically anticipate a favorable risk-reward model. That's it, guys. That's the only thing that you need to look for. Understand? If there's a high probability trade for you, like high probability trade for you, why would you not enter that trade? Why would you not enter that trade? Understand? So for me, I would say it's very easy to wait for 2 days for a proper setup than something that I just analyzed and saw it now. I'd rather wait and see how it behaves, and wait for a break of structure, wait for my golden zone, wait for my confirmation candlestick, wait for New York or London session, and then enter. Put my stop loss in between, in break even, allow the market to push. If it doesn't respect, hit my stop loss, then I'm out. It was meant to be. That trade was invalid. You understand? Simple. Number 2, learn to respect the risk side of the trade setups more over the trend. Meaning already, once you enter a trade, just know it might go the opposite way. Don't expect that it might go the same way that you're anticipating. Understand? We might see a bullish trend, but then the market goes sideways. Can consolidate. It can be a bearish. You will never know. You don't control the market. The market will always humble you, guys. You understand? The market will always humble you. You understand? We are all here to make money. We are all here to secure the bag. We are not here to be greedy. This is not our money that you are fighting for in the charts. And it's everyone's money. So yeah. Number 3, identify trade setups that permits 3 reward multiples to 1 risk. Understand? That's what I was talking about. Look for setups that you know will only pay you well. Risk, reward, it's very important. And I trust 50% of you guys that are watching this video don't imply or don't apply with the risk reward ratio. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that's true. We just have to tell ourselves truth, guys. Number 4, frame good reward to risk setup that have little impact if unprofitable. I repeat, guys, you need to frame good reward to risk setups that have little impact if unprofitable. What I'm trying to mean here, it's better to aim for a good reward setup, even though it won't be profitable, but you know if you can stick to that, that can still guarantee you to be profitable. Okay, for example, on episode 1, I took a loss 2 times. London session, I risked 100 Rand to make 200. I lost 100 Rand. New York session, I risked 100 Rand to gain 200 Rand. I lost 100 Rand. Basically, I lost 200 Rand in that account. And guess what? I'm still profitable. Those 2 losses that took place, I've covered them. Understand? I'll take you through, because on the next slide, I'll just take you through. Understand? So yeah, guys, I'm still in a loan thing. I'm still there. I won't lie. This is the proof that I'm still owing the loan. This is the proof that I'm still owing the loan. I haven't paid the loan, you understand? So my deadline, it's on the 29th of March, you understand? 29th of March, you can see there, 29th of March. So this is the date that I still have to go and pay my loan, understand? Imagine, guys, I took a loan. I did my own risk. I took a loan to show you guys, understand? So let's please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for you to be notified whenever we're dropping the next hot one, obviously. And let's share the video. And guess what? We are still going to achieve more, guys, understand? There's still a long way for me to go to make this challenge a successful one. Yes, I am not forced. I'm just doing it, guys, for you to see that it's possible. It is possible. Understand? If you didn't subscribe, please hit that subscribe button, guys. Let's not forget to subscribe. One love. It's your one and only BeastX72. As you all know me, your mentor. One love. Peace.